Okay, this is how to run a deep cleaning cycle on the Casabrews Cappuccino machine. I've got water in the reservoir, water in the milk reservoir, and the milk tube is pointed into a large mug. So to get started, push and hold the latte button for 3 seconds. And this process will get rid of all the nasty milk that's inside the machine. And I'm going to let this run for the whole cycle. Okay, when all the blue lights start flashing, that's the end of the cycle. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.